Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, everyone? This is Nasma again with you, and this is lesson 7. And in lesson 7, we're going to continue with the short vowels, the Arabic short vowels. And you're going to take today Kasra, which is the second short vowel. Let's see what is Kasra and let's practice some examples with Kasra. What's Kasra? Kasra is a small line, same as Fatha, placed below a letter, which enables the letter to produce a short E, like the E sound in the word be. Let's see what does it mean. Kasra. As you can see, it's a short or a small line comes on the bottom or below the letter here. So all of these are kasra. So those are some examples of the letters with kasra. And kasra make us produce letter or sound E with the letter. For example, this is Hamza, and Hamza with fatha, if you remember, was A. So Hamza with kasra is E. Ba with kasra, B. Ta with kasra, T. Tha with kasra, Thi. G. Hi. Khi. Di. Thi. Ri. Zi. Si. She. And remember, it's a short vowel, so you can't say B, that would be too long. It's a long vowel. So it should be short, B. So try to practice kasra with all letters E, B, T, and so on till you reach E, which is the last letter with kasra. Now let's see the same letter with both fatha and kasra, so you can read both and don't confuse between fatha and kasra. So the fatha is a short line on top of the letter and produce a sound. The kasra is on the bottom of the letter and produces e sound. Let's try this and try to repeat after me. Sa, si, sa, si. Here, da, di, da, di. And even if the letter is heavy letter, you still need to pronounce it heavy with kasra. Da, di, ta, ti, dha, dhi, a, i, gha, ghi, fa, fi, qa, qi, ka, ki, la, li. So here we're gonna start with kasra first and then fatha. Li, la, mi, ma, na, ni. Pay attention. We change the possession of fatha. Sometimes it comes first, sometimes kasra comes first. So you can focus more with the sound. He, ha, wa, we, yi, ya, ya, yi, ti, ba. Okay, this one is na, bi, ghi, a, da, ti. Very good. So you just need to practice this a lot and try to make it fast as you can, as much as you can. Repeat after me a lot till you manage this and don't confuse between fatha and kasra. This is too important. Now we have some examples with um, kasra, and from now on, inshallah, every example you find or like the practice, you will find whatever the current lesson, which is kasra, and whatever before. So you took fatha before, so when you practice kasra and fatha, next lesson would be inshallah, next vowel would be dhamma. So we're gonna practice dhamma and kasra and fatha every time. So whenever you practice, you're gonna practice everything you've learned. This will make inshallah your recitation and reading of the Arabic very accurate and very smooth and flow like just like English, inshallah. So let's try, and we're gonna do as we did with the examples of Fatha. We're gonna read the red, the blue, and join red and blue, and then the black letter, and then join all of them as one word. Let's try. Ya, I, ya, I, sa, ya, isa, ha, bi, habi, to, habito, a, ti, ati, ha, atiha, wa, thi, wathi, qa, wathiqa, wa, ji, waji, la, wajila, ra, hi, rahi, ma, rahima, ba, خي بخي لا بخيلة قدي قدي ما قديمة. Great. Let's go on. حذي حذي را حذرا حري حري صا حريصا. And pay attention to this. When Ra has Fatha, we read it Ra as a heavy letter, but when it has Kasra, we read it as Ri, as a light letter. Okay? So Ra, Ri. Here. Ha, Zi, Hazi, Na, Hazina. A, Si, Asi, Fa, Asifa. Kha, Shi, Khashi, Ya, Khashiya. Na, صي نصي با نصيبا را ضي رضي يا رضيا خ طي خطي فا خطيفا. Great. When you find me like reading fast, you can just stop the video and try to read and then pause it again and like play it again. And if you have any difficulties with certain letters, or you want to ask me about certain information about reading or about kasra, try to leave a comment and then I'll answer you, inshallah. Ha, ضي حظي يا حظيا لا عي لعي با لعبا نا عي نعي ما نعما سغي سغي با سغبا حفي حفي ظا حفظا بقي بقي يا بقيا بكي بكي ما بكي ما علي علي ما علي ما. Great. سمي سمي ع سمع حني حني قا حنقا عهي عهي دا عهدا عوي عوي را عويرا راكي راكي با ركبا سعي سعي دا سعيدا شري شري با شربا ظفي ظفي را ظفرا. Okay, we reached the end of our lesson today. And if you like this, please like the video and subscribe and leave a comment about the any anything or any question you want to ask me about the kasra, and try to tell me, or about the vowels, and try to tell me what certain part of Arabic you find it challenging. And next time, inshallah, we're going to talk about the short vowels. We'll continue the short vowels. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.